Hi, dear friend. Are you having a good day? I'm good as well. I think everyone knows the game called Cookie Run. The various cookies characters are so amazing cute, right? Today, I'm going to draw a mustard cookie. Well, I'll explain how to make drawing easier. This character has a slightly larger head than the body. So, draw two vertical circles, the larger one on top and the smaller one on the bottom. Then, draw a large shape, for example, a large circle for the base and a slightly longer triangle for the body. Then, keep using the soft lines to get the shape. The reason why the drawings at once is not easy, right? So, while using several soft lines, you can keep looking for the right lines and shapes like the original characters. Be sure to draw this love sketch step. You have to be able to see things first, and then you observe the little detail in it. I'm going to practice drawing a lot with a pencil like this. Watch the video carefully and draw well. Come on, we can do it! The more you draw, the better you can draw. Remember, friends, thank you for watching it. See you next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.